who were required to undergo the citizenship advancement training for school year 2010-2011. My dear parents, teachers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, today is the turnover of command and graduation ceremony of the Bowie St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated Citizenship Advancement Training 2011. Focus your attention to the formation. The ladies with baton are the active members of the majorette, supervised by Mrs. Catherine L. Belsa, majorette coordinator. The young ladies and gentlemen with musical instrument are the talented members of the drum and lyre corps, supervised by Mr. Leo B. Bisenio, DLC coordinator. The cadets and cadets in gala uniform, Type B and Type C, are well-trained, disciplined, enthusiastic young students of this institution and citizen of our country, being trained by Mr. Armando L. Samper and Mr. Henry C. Noble, Commandant. Our guest of honor for today's ceremony is Lieutenant Commander Rodaldine Case A. Serio, Philippine Navy, Chief Individual Foreign Training, Branch of Assistant Chief of Naval Staff, Staff of Education and Training, Naval 8 Headquarters, Philippine Navy. The entire ceremony is divided into two parts. Part 1 is a turnover of command and graduation rites. In a short while, the troop commanders will give series of command to the troops. Ladies and gentlemen, the attention call. The attention call informs the troop for the beginning of the ceremony. The troop commander that will lead the ceremony is Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal, incumbent Corps Commander. The adjutant's call. That is the adjutant's rod. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cherry M. Nachar position herself between the line of troops and the troop commander. The platoon leaders dress their platoons to be sure that it is properly in line with the other platoons and are ready for the ceremony. Once done, the adjutant will direct the guards of the different platoons to their respective posts. Drawing of swords. The officers for today carry their swords to show their authority. The Corps Commander presents the troop to the guest of honor. Trooping the line. Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal informs the guests of honor, Lieutenant Commander Rudolphin Chris A. Serio, Philippine Navy, and the Commandant, Mr. Armando L. Samper, that the battalion is now ready for trooping the line. Once responded, the Corps Commander approaches the stage to accompany the guests of honor and the Commandant around the troop. Trooping the line is a tradition dated way back in ancient times, when the troop commander gave the troops their final briefing and word of encouragement that would boost their morale before deploying them into battle or to their respective mission or assignments. The Corps Commander asks the callers and the awardees to center.
Amadi David Diaz.
Ladies and gentlemen, the honorary awardees of the batch 2010-2011 Corps of Cadets and Cadets Turnover of Command. The Corps Commander presents the awardees to the guests of honor. We would like to request everyone to please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. The awarding ceremony to be presented by Mr. Armando L. Samper, Commandant, Mrs. Anita L. Santa Rosa, Principal, and Lieutenant Commander Rudolphin Chris A. Serio, Philippine Navy, Guest of Honor. May we call the parents of the awardees to accompany their student. Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal, Outstanding Cadet of the Year. Parent, Mrs. Mrs. Nolia S. Tabernal. The same award will be given to Cadet Colonel Tabernal as the Outstanding Corps Commander, 5th place during the University of Northeastern Philippines ROTC Activation Day in Iriga City last October 1, 2010. And she was also awarded as Outstanding Corps Commander for Bicol Region during the University of St. Anthony 64th Foundation Anniversary in Iriga City last February 4, 2011, 7th place. A plaque of honor is to be awarded also for her. Citation reads, the Naga City Government, the Federation of Philippine Eagles Club Incorporated, the Bicol Federation of Active and Reserve PMT Commandants and Instructors League Incorporated, is hereby given to Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal, Buhi St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated, Buhi Camarines Sur, selected as Outstanding Corps Commander in Bicol Region for her meritorious leadership and untiring support in the implementation of CAT program of instruction in the secondary level school year 2010-2011, given this 19th day of December in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ, 2010, at Naga City, Philippines. Signed,